Part 1. Imagine a time when there was no Earth, no sun, no stars. In fact, there was nowhere and no when. Even time itself did not exist. Most of us have been taught that the universe started with the Big Bang. But have you ever stopped to ask, what was there before that moment? Was it just nothing? Or was it another universe altogether? Today, we are going beyond the edge of time to solve the greatest mystery in human history. Welcome to Cosmic Fact HQ, Part 2, the Hubble Revolution. For centuries, we thought the universe was static, but in the 20th century, Edwin Hubble changed everything. He looked through his telescope and realized that those faint clouds in the sky weren't just gas. They were entire galaxies, and they were moving away from us at incredible speeds. This meant one thing: the universe is expanding. And if it's expanding today, it must have started from a single tiny point billions of years ago. Part 3. The Singularity. But the Big Bang has a flaw. If it was a random explosion, the universe should be chaotic. But instead, it's incredibly even and smooth. Physicist Alan Guth proposed the theory of inflation. He suggested that a mysterious force accelerated the bang, distributing matter instantly and perfectly across the cosmos. Part 4. The mystery of inflation. But the Big Bang has a flaw. If it was a random explosion, the universe should be chaotic, but instead, it's incredibly even and smooth. Physicist Alan Guth proposed the theory of inflation. He suggested that a mysterious force accelerated the bang, distributing matter instantly and perfectly across the cosmos. Part 5. The Big Bounce Theory. But what if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning? Professor Martin Bajowald believes in the Big Bounce. Just like a pendulum, time might be cyclical. Our universe might be the result of a previous universe that collapsed under its own gravity. When that old universe died, it triggered a new Big Bang. This means we are just one link in an endless chain of universes. Part 6. Parallel worlds and brain collision. If that's not crazy enough, some physicists think our universe is just a membrane floating in uncertain space. When our universe bumps into a neighbor universe, it creates a massive surge of energy, a Big Bang. We might be living just inches away from another world, separated by a dimension we can't even see. Which theory do you believe? Are we the first, or just one of many? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this cosmic journey, hit that like button and subscribe to Cosmic Fact HQ. Stay curious.